Hello YouTube, and today we're gonna try a brand new car wash at a Shell gas station. That used to be a PDQ bacteria touchless tunnel system, but the last time we drove by, it got replaced by a different system. Not sure what system it is. Due to the sign, it looks like the Belanger system, so let's find out. We got the ultimate wash with gas. So let's see how it is. Por favor.
Welcome to Shell's Touchless Car Wash. Please enter your 5-digit code now. Thank you.
Okay. Enter the code.
Your code number has been accepted. Please place your car in neutral, no braking or steering. Thank you.
Oh no, fast. Okay, there we go. And it looks like we have a Belanger system. It looks like a Belanger touchless system. And we're going to get the lava shield as well. Never been for a lava shield for a while. There used to be a PDQ bacteria system. I never saw a Belanger touchless tunnel system before. And I believe the PDQ system is, some PDQ systems are still there. So, we again for pre-soak. A good coverage of pre-soak. We get enough coating of pre-soak. Oh, and we get the lava shield. With LED lighting. And the tri-foam as well. A good coverage of lava shield and the tri-foam as well. Okay, let's see what we are doing. Not sure what we are doing, right? We get the high power rinse. Protective. And here comes our dryers. We have Belanger air cannon dryers, so let's see if they do a great job. There used to be tunnel dry dryers. We got the ultimate wash by saying the dryers are not doing a great job. It is really interesting that the Belanger system is doing I never saw a Belanger touchless system before, like I said. Wait for the sign saying go. Okay, we can go. Well, that's the Belanger / PDQ system at the Shell station. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely recommend it because of the lava shield. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Have a good day.